Hi, everyone. It's Randi Weingarten again, president of the AFT, and I am on my way to the 7th of 7 rank and file leader meetings that we have held across the country since December to work together, rank and file, state leaders, federal leaders, on AFT's agenda. We have met with thousands of members, and they are so awesome. Lots have happened this week in our union and in the country. We're standing with the Portland Community College faculty and staff in their continuing strike. And we welcome the trade instructors at Flathead Valley Community College in Montana and the healthcare workers at New Jersey's Samaritan Healthcare and Hospice Facility and at the Inspira Medical Center in Vineland. All of them welcome to the AFT family. I want to focus for a minute on tech, social media, and screens. This week, I participated in Semaphore's conference called The State of Happiness, Well-Being in the Digital Age. A new report finds that in this world right now, young people are getting happier except for in the West, including the United States, where they're just not. And it's not just the screens, it's what those screens are replacing, specifically the feeling of belonging. Belonging is a strong predictor of youth well-being, and the AFT is working on many fronts to address this, from fostering safe and welcoming school environments that really engage students, to calls for guardrails around AI and big tech, and for, as many of you know, the bell-to-bell cell phone bans so kids can focus in school and connect with each other. You'll be hearing a lot more from us about all of this. As it gets harder to afford life's necessities, the AFT, as many of you know, is working to get money back into people's pockets. That's the focus of our new Fight for Affordability campaign, and you can find the new tools that we have been creating to fight debt, to access financial literacy. Just go to Fight for Affordability on our website. And as a union, the best affordability measure is to secure a new contract. And so we're so happy for our nurses and health professionals in Oregon and Hawaii who have just won tentative agreements in their negotiations with Kaiser, as well as librarians in Ohio who just won their first contract. And more senators signed onto our Working Class America's Tax Credit Act to ensure that multi-millionaires finally start paying what they owe, and that the working class gets a break. And speaking of the Senate, AFT member Maria Heavener, a first grade teacher in Chicago, testified about the trauma that the Trump administration's aggressive ICE enforcement is causing children in our communities. Maria described her students' fear as agents fired tear gas near the school, including children who were at recess. Her class read a book about civil rights, and Maria's students made the connection between the violence happening to them and the violence happening so many years ago. Last Saturday, though, I did get to do one of my favorite things. Speaking of books, giving out free books, promoting literacy, and bringing communities together, this time in Fairfax County, Virginia. Our union gave out more than 30,000 books to more than 2,000 kids, families, and educators through our Reading Opens the World program. And through that program, AFT and First Book have given out over 11 million books across this country in the last decade or so. And next Saturday is No Kings 3. People power matters more than ever, and so I hope you will join a No Kings event near you on March 28th. It's so important for us to stand up against the chaos, the cruelty, and make it clear that the power in America belongs to the people, not to any one leader. Find out more and sign up at an event near you, again, at aft.org. Finally, as part of AFT's Faith Initiative, this week we had a fun and educational virtual labor Seder. As my wife, who is a rabbi, says, Moses was a labor organizer, maybe even the first one. So you can search our Faith Initiative at the Labor Seder to check that out. And we say that as we also honor the end of Ramadan. This is who AFT is, lighting up kids' lives through books, giving real people, working people, real agency and opportunity, standing up for those we serve in our community. Thank you for all you do and being part of the AFT, and I'll talk with you again next week. Have a great week.